let me tell you something. For most of us, nobody really teaches us how money works. We go to school, we study, we graduate, and we get a job. Then suddenly we are expected to know how to manage our salary, save money, invest, avoid bad debt, also build wealth, and plan for the future. But where do we actually learn all of this? And that is the reason why I created this channel. Hi everyone, I'm Gauss and welcome to Gauss TV, a place where we talk about money, investing, business, saving and building wealth in a simple and practical way. I believe you don't have to be rich to understand money. You don't have to get a huge salary. You don't need to be a financial expert, and you definitely do not need to understand complicated financial language. You just need to start. Maybe you are someone who earns money but never seems to have enough left at the end of the month, or maybe you are always scared to invest but you're scared about losing your money, or maybe you simply want to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building a better future. If anyone sounds like you, then definitely you are in the right place. On this channel, I'm going to break down financial concepts, explore different investment ideas, talk about money mistakes, discuss business opportunity, wealth building strategy, and most importantly, learning how to make better financial decision. I want this channel to be more than just number on screen. I want it to feel like we are sitting down together having a real conversation about money, what works, what doesn't work, and the mistake people make and the lessons people can learn along the way. So because building wealth isn't something that happens overnight, like it's a journey, and there'll be good decision, bad decision, opportunities, setbacks and lessons. And the goal is not just to become rich tomorrow. The goal is to be better financially, smarter than you were before. So if you are ready to learn how to grow, take control of your financial future, subscribe to Gauss TV and join me on this journey. This is just the beginning. Welcome to Gauss TV, and we're going to see ourselves in more videos. We're going to communicate, and let's build our future, one smart money decision at a time. Thank you. Peace out.